You're done?
Select.
No, yeah.
Hope we pull something really good. And I'm here with my dad. We're going to see what we pull.
You're going good. This is like an auto or something, right?
Yeah.
Or a one of one.
Yeah.
Something real spicy.
Only 6 packs. Like you get one, I get one. 3 packs. Yes. There's only 5 packs left. I like this how I'm never playing money.
Come on. Something crazy. Jordan Levitt rookie.
That you should get like
Ankler. Rounder rookie. Brian Battle
It
rookie.
only comes with 4 of these?
4 cards per pack.
Okay. Let's see.
Come on, pull something crazy.
If we
Oh, the ball's right in the way.
So if we pull, we hope we pull an auto or a one of one or a rookie. Rookie would be good.
There's always.
Yeah, but they can go up to value.
Yeah, just something crazy like I don't know. Zebra.
Oh, sparkly.
It's got something spicy back to this.
Got a rookie.
Bubba, we're opening cards. Hold on, just a little bit. Will you put this in the trash for me? Will you put this in the trash for me?
Okay.
Oh. What is it? It's Conor McGregor. Oh my goodness, BJ. You did it.
We got a sparkle. We got like a reflection something. Oh, it has the electric.
What is that on there?
That's like an electric sign or something. What is that?
Tell us, fam. What is that?
Is that an electric sign? Is that like for an election or something? For
We're gonna
election?
pause real quick and put this in a slip.
We got it. We know what this is. It's an elbow. So we just figured out what this is. There's Dustin Poirier's elbow.
Elbow.
And he's kicking right. I think we should put all the good cards right here. And then take all these. And then just put them right here.
Okay.
And then put the rookies all right here.
Israel Adesanya.
Yeah, I saw you. Oh, you got orange back there.
Hey. Alexander Volkanovski.
Oh, your second favorite guy. What I like to do is I like to put it under,
Uh-huh.
and then I like to turn this around, like it's, and then
Oh my goodness, Anthony Lyon Smith. And an orange prism.
we got a second one.
Not as exciting, but still exciting. Your turn.
Okay.
Excuse me, guys. Pardon me. Come on, son. Do it, do it, do it. One of one. Something gold.
If
Auto.
we get a gold, that would be sick in an auto. Nothing really good.
Ooh.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, that's pretty good.
Thumbs up.
Yep.
Rookie.
All we got is
Who's that
just,
guy?
I don't really know.
Jack.
Jack is,
Alright.
no.
Put another pack.
We don't know what there is, but we hope we get an auto. We both have 1 pack left. I'm gonna save this one.
Yeah? I think that's a good idea. Oh.
Oh, Bryce Mitchell.
Bryce Mitchell right off the bat.
Oh, I think that's shiny.
Oh, snap. Brandon Royale from Denver, Colorado.
Oh, that's backwards. Chick. That's pretty sick.
What's special about it?
Oh, maybe it's just this. That they don't put this in the picture.
Should number it. All right, guys, that was fun. Thank you for watching. Anything else
And
you
we
wanna
might
say?
put this. I'll put this in another video. I might do this. So, see ya.